Hey guys, history doesn't lie, there was a time when the word mobile phone meant just one thing, Nokia. It was an era when Nokia was in every hand, and in every heart. And then, just like that, the king disappeared. But today, that king is making a comeback. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video isn't just about a phone, it's about an emotion. It's about a massive, earth-shattering comeback. The king that once ruled the mobile world is back. But this time, it's no ordinary return. This is a comeback with a bang, a bomb that's about to go off right in the middle of iPhone and Samsung territory. Now, you're probably thinking, that's a pretty bold claim, right? So let me ask you this, can you imagine a smartphone that packs a DSLR quality camera right in your pocket? What about a processor that moves faster than your thoughts? And here's the real kicker, a battery that lasts 3 full days without ever needing a power bank. All of that, within your budget. That's right, we're talking about the Nokia Magic Max 5G. This beast is coming with a 300 megapixel DSLR killer camera, a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 processor, and a massive 7500 mAh battery. All in one device. So if you're one of those people who thinks Nokia is a thing of the past, you need to watch this video till the very end. Because what you're about to see, it's gonna change your mind. Let's start. Design and display. The first thing you notice is the screen. According to leaks, we're looking at a 6.8-inch LTPO Super AMOLED display with 2K plus resolution, 144Hz refresh rate, and peak brightness over 2500 nits. That's brighter than the iPhone 17 Pro Max. That's red your screen in direct Arizona sunlight bright. And with a 144Hz refresh rate, usually only on gaming phones, scrolling feels ridiculously smooth. For durability, IP69 rating. Most flagships give you IP68 for splashes. IP69 adds resistance to high pressure, high temperature water jets. Under the display, an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. Works with wet hands. Tap and you're in. Camera setup. Now, the camera. Leaks claim a 300 megapixel primary sensor. Sounds like clickbait, right? But Samsung already makes a 200 megapixel sensor shipping in phones today. 300 megapixels is the next logical step. Pixel binning means you're not storing massive files. Instead, the sensor combines pixels to create detailed, noise-free shots. If Nokia, who co-engineered Zeiss camera systems, is bringing this to market, this could be the most detailed smartphone camera ever made. Here's the complete system alongside that monster sensor. A 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens for landscapes and group shots. It also doubles as a macro lens, capturing details from 2 centimeters away. And an 32 megapixel periscope telephoto with 10x optical zoom and up to 100x digital zoom. With a 300 megapixel sensor feeding into it, even heavily zoomed shots retain usable detail. Concert photography from the nosebleeds that actually looks good. In front side a 50 megapixel front-facing camera. Your selfies have more resolution than most phones' main cameras. Now here's what excites me. Nokia is baking in an AI photography assistant that goes beyond basic scene detection. Real-time composition guides, the phone tells you to move left or right for the perfect framing. It analyzes lighting and suggests HDR or night mode. After the shot, it offers professional editing suggestions. It's like having a pro photographer on your shoulder. For video, rumors point to 8K at 30 FPS, 4K at 120 FPS for slow motion, and stabilization that competes with Apple's cinematic mode. Is 300 megapixels overkill? Maybe, but if it delivers the detail and cropping flexibility pros actually use, this could be the camera that finally makes you leave your DSLR at home. Performance. What's powering all this? Supply chain leaks say the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6. Qualcomm hasn't even announced this chip yet. If Nokia is getting early access, that means they're being treated like a Tier 1 partner again. The Gen 6 is expected to bring 30–40% better CPU performance, a next-general GPU for console-quality mobile gaming, and dramatically improved AI processing. What does that mean for you? Playing Genshin Impact or Call of Duty at max settings without a stutter. Editing 4K footage on the go without your phone overheating. Multitasking between heavy apps and the phone just shrugs and keeps going. Android 16 out of the box. Plus, 4 years of major OS updates and 5 years of security patches. Drop $800 on this phone, and you're not feeling outdated in 2 years. Base model. 12GB RAM, 256GB storage. Top tier, 16GB RAM, 512GB storage. UFS 4.0 means near instant app loading. Battery backup, here's where things get wild. The Magic Max 5G packs a 7500 mAh battery. The iPhone 17 Pro Max sits around 4800. The Galaxy S26 Ultra hovers near 5500. This thing is 30–50% larger. Real-world usage, heavy gaming and streaming. A full day with juice left. Normal use, 2 to 3 days on a single charge. You can leave for a weekend, forget your charger, and still come home with battery life. You stop obsessing over the battery icon. And when you do need to charge, 125-watt wired charging. 0 to 100% in about 25 minutes. Wake up, plug it in, shower, get dressed, and you're fully charged. Plus, 50-watt wireless charging. USB-C General 2 means transferring a full 4K movie takes seconds. Connectivity and other features. Let's run through the rest. 5G with 13 bands supported, works on Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T, and international networks. Wi-Fi 7 future-proofs your speeds. Bluetooth 5.4 lets you connect 2 devices simultaneously. And for wired headphone loyalists, Nokia kept the 3.5mm jack. In 2026, that's a statement. Dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos. Watching movies is immersive. Price and release date. So when can you get this, and how much? Sources say Nokia is targeting a launch in the next 2 to 3 months, right in time for the holiday season. A Q4 launch puts them directly against Apple and Samsung. Pricing leaks point to $780 to $900. The iPhone 17 Pro Max starts at $1,199. The Galaxy S26 Ultra starts at $1,299. If Nokia delivers a 300-megapixel camera, next-gen processor, 7500 mAh battery, and 144Hz display for under $900. That's disruptive. That's the kind of value that makes people switch ecosystems. Now, a note of balance. These are leaks and rumors. Nothing is confirmed until Nokia makes an official announcement. The camera might end up at 200 megapixels. The battery might be 6500. The launch could push to 2027. But even if the final device lands at 80% of what's rumored, this is one of the most ambitious smartphones we've seen in years. It signals that Nokia isn't just making phones anymore. They're trying to make a statement. Here's the bottom line. If you've been waiting for a true alternative to Apple and Samsung, the Nokia Magic Max 5G could be it. Camera specs that push the industry forward. Battery life that eliminates anxiety. Performance that matches the best. A price that undercuts the competition by hundreds of dollars. The only question marks are availability and support. Nokia is still rebuilding its US presence. But if they deliver the legendary build quality they were known for, the kind that made people keep Nokia phones in drawers for a decade because they still work, this could be the comeback story we've been waiting for. The king left the throne a long time ago. But if these leaks are even close to accurate, the king might finally be ready to take it back. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below. Are you hyped for the Nokia Magic Max 5G? Do you think Nokia can actually pull this off?